Want to fix DS160 form photo upload issues? This video will show you the simple tricks to successfully submit your visa application. Let's dive in. First things first, photo upload errors on the DS160 form are usually due to incorrect photo specifications, browser issues, or internet connectivity. Now, the most crucial step is to ensure your photo strictly adheres to the official U.S. visa photo requirements. This includes size, 2 by 2 inches, 51 by 51 millimeters, recent, taken within the last 6 months, background, plain white or off-white, head size, between 1 inch and 1 3/8 inches, 25 millimeters and 35 millimeters, from the bottom of the chin to the top of the head, format JPEG.jpg file size, less than 240 kilobytes, proportions, square aspect ratio. Use the U.S. Department of State's photo tool, search U.S. Visa Photo Tool, to crop and validate your photo before uploading. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This removes any outdated data that might be causing conflicts. Try using a different web browser, e.g. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, if your current one is problematic. Ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause uploads to fail. Finally, if you've done everything correctly and the issue persists, try saving your DS160 application and coming back to it later, or even trying a different computer. Sometimes the system has temporary glitches. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more visa application tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.